Full name Rajiv Hariom Bhartia. Screen name Akshay Kumar. Nickname Khiladi Kumar. Date of birth 9 September 1996, Amritsar, Punjab. Age as 2020, 52 years. Akshay Kumar in Don Bosco High School lekha anasemin ahi. Ichizau chun Guru Nanak College Bachelor adin admission akibol in hi. Chom khat joba Bangkok Martial Arts Kijildin chetan hi. Ichi achun part-time job as waiter in jong apangjin ahi. Nidang achun Akshay Kumar in part-time job tampi anabol in hi. Ichawala achun travel agency jong anabol khat hi. Chom khat jovin Delhi konin jewelry ahunglan Mumbai azo ujin ahi. Profession actor, director, producer and modeler. Akshay student ho khanin Akshay lim chu modeling adin athonin ahi. Hichi achun nini sungin sang nga amun ahi. Hichi achun atha anomin imajo si adalhan modeling adin kigong tan ahi. Inla Akshay Kumar in modeling dia Bangalore zone tinga kigo chen a flight ato nading chu anami sta nahi. Icha chun Akshay Kumar hlajong anaselhe ajing inahi. Inla ichi achun film producer mi khat Pramod Chakravarti in Didar adin sign ball tan hi. Hichijau chun Swagan film ball kinin hicha actress le Rakhi le Santi Priya. Hichi film chun 1991 in aki release in hi. In la amin ama chu acting lampang ala samje me tin aseyo na hi. Hichijau chun Khiladi film ahin ball do ki tan hi. Hichi film chun ahung min thang te jing tan hi. Hicha apana chun Khiladi series ahin ball panin. Hicha chun Khiladi ka Khiladi mi Khiladi tu anari. Hicha chun Mora film zong a release in ahi. Akshay Kumar in comedy film zong a ballin. Hicha hila Hera Fairy 2000 in a release in ahi. Action hero kiw kiwin min thang lovin comedian hero in jong ahung min thang in hi. Su Akshay Kumar super hit movie hot hele Dil to Pagal hai, Toilet ek Prem Katha, Houseful Kisari. Chuta le hi video na Vietnam net light ballin lang Akshay Kumar film na Vietnam ho comment anoya hin ballin.